guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go ahead and do a walkthrough video for you guys on how to actually use the CVS app, because I find myself telling you guys to use a load to card CVS coupon, and maybe some of you guys don't know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how you can go ahead and actually utilize the CVS app. So first thing you need to do is you're going to need to have a smartphone. So iPhone, Android, whatever smartphone you have, you need to go to your app store and download the CVS app. So this is what the CVS app looks like on the home page. So you just click in it. And then you need to set up your CVS Extra Care card on the app, so you can scan the barcode of your physical card, or you can enter in the number. Now, if you are someone who is not technology savvy, maybe ask your son or daughter or your granddaughter, your grandson, or even heck, go to CVS and ask the CVS manager to help you out, because the CVS manager will know how to help you out with the CVS app, because, he's the manager of CVS, so he should be able to help you. So here we are in the home screen of the CVS app. So there are a few things you can utilize here. So first of all, you can look at the CVS ad. So today is Friday. So you can actually see a sneak peek of what the ad for next week is going to be. So you can utilize the app to see the ad. Also, there is a little button that's going to say, or a little prompt that you push to press deals and rewards. So these are going to show you your CRTs that you have. So some of them are going to be personalized just for your card. It's going to tell you if you have any extra care bucks. So if I earn beauty bucks, it's going to pop up in the app under deals and rewards. But then there's going to be manufacturer coupons. So one of the coupons that I highlighted was the Tide coupon. So they're also broken up into different categories. So they have coupons that are just for you. There's a baby category, but let's just go ahead and do the Tide, because that's what we were talking about. So go to the household category, and then one of the ones is the Dawn dish soap. You want to send this to your card for Sunday to get the dishwash liquid for 74 cents. But here are the Tide coupons right here. So I mentioned in my CVS in-store video that you're going to want to send a $3 Tide coupon. So to do that, as you can see, there's a little barcode, and then you just want to press send to card. And then you're going to get a little check mark, and it's going to show you what is on your card. And also, what you can also look to see, if you go back to the home screen, go to your deals and rewards, and you can actually go to the top and it says saved to your card. So when you click that, it's going to show you all of the coupons that are saved to your card. Now, something that's really important is you need to save all of these to your card before you go to checkout. So if you enter your CVS phone number and then you add a load to card coupon, it's not going to work. You need to load the coupons before you enter your phone number. So just keep that in mind. And then going back to the home screen, if you are working with your CVS app in store, all you do is press Extra Care card, and then it's going to give you the barcode that the cashier can go ahead and scan to connect to your account. Also, you can use this at the red machine. So if you forget your maybe you use your physical card in the store, you can go ahead and just use your barcode and scan that at the red machine, or you could just enter in your physical CVS card. And then also something else that I utilize through the CVS app all the time is I will go ahead and search for products. So if I'm wanting to search the price of a product, then I'll go ahead and type in physician, let's see, Crest toothpaste. So I am searching for Crest toothpaste in the search bar. So it's going to load all of the products that my CVS near me has, but it's saying service is unavailable. So there must be a Wi-Fi issue going on in my house right now. Okay, here we go. So I typed in Crest toothpaste, so it's gonna bring up all the different options of Crest toothpaste. So if you wanna go ahead and do like a price check before you go in store, maybe you're working at your breakdowns at home, just, you know, search in the CVS bar for a specific product. And I also will utilize the photo prints. So there is an option for photo prints, and you can connect your Facebook account, or you can connect you can load pictures from your gallery from your phone and then send them straight to the CVS to be printed. So I do that all the time. And it looks like you can also manage your prescriptions online as well. I go through Kaiser, so I never do CVS Pharmacy anymore. But I hope you guys found this video helpful in terms of how to use the CVS app, because I know, you know, some of you guys may be wondering, Gina, what the heck are you talking about when you're talking about the CVS app? So this is everything that you need to know about the CVS app. And yes, there's flies in my house because my in-laws love to keep the door open when they let our dogs out, and all that does is let flies in. So but it's okay. And also something else that I wanted to mention to you guys about CVS. A lot of you guys have been asking me, how do you get the email coupons? So what I did about 2 years ago, actually, it's been a while, because I did this when I was in Virginia, when I first moved to Virginia, and that was 2 summers ago. So what I did is I called CVS customer care, and I said that I wanted to link my email address with my Extra Care account, and I just gave them my email, and since then I have been receiving these email coupons for about 2 years now. So it's been a 2-year streak that I've received these coupons. So I hope you guys found this video helpful in terms of helping you guys out and navigate CVS a little bit better. If you guys want me to do a video similar to Walgreens and their like load to card, and if you guys want me to do one for Cartwheel, then let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely do Target and Albertsons and Walgreens. So just let me know in the comments below if you want to see more videos on how to actually utilize all of the tools that the stores and pharmacies give us to utilize coupons. So I hope everyone has a fantastic Friday, and my CVS in-store video is in the description box below for you guys to follow along, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.